Hi everyone, this is Kimo Vlog, si Philippine Reactor B, thinking of Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin reaction video, ang Don Bell compilation. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Ang gwapo ni Donnie. Pag nakakap talaga siya. Ay, saan to? Nag-date sila? Ay, walang tarpaulin eh. Dapat may tarpaulin dyan eh, di ba? Dapat may tarpaulin talaga. Ay, anyways, napanood na natin yung kahapon. Yeah. Looking through the eyes of love. Charing! Looking through the eyes of love talaga sila for today's video. Look at that! Ladies and gentlemen, our Belinda. Ganyan ba talaga dapat, ma'am? Ganda ni Ben. Tingnan mo naman makatingin si Donnie, oh. Hindi, ay, wait lang. Hey guys, ano to do right now? Hindi matagal na to. Diyos ko, anong ginawa nila kay Alexa? Ay, hello. Anong ginawa nila kay Alexa? Anong ginawa nila dito? Ay, ang ganda. Naluloka ako sa tayo sa wakas, ha? Yung mga BTS, wait lang. Ay, hello. Wait lang. Tayo sa wakas. Tayo sa wakas BTS. Hindi ko kaya talaga ang BTS kasi parang totohanan na talaga ang kanilang pinaggagawa. Direct stop! Stop! I mean, kaya stop! Parang ang galing-galing na talaga nila. Totoo lang. Walang mali siya, ha? Pero parang ang galing-galing na talaga nila, no? Di ba? Walang mali siya, pero parang ang galing na nila. Ay, ano to?
Look at us now. We have proven them wrong. We are opening our new division.
Ah, may new division. Division of copies ba yan?
Guys, meet
Oh.
our new intern. My best student from CST.
Do not know crap about running this business, so prepare to crash. We proved them wrong. Huh? We are opening our own division. Huh? So, boys, what do we call it?
Gold mines.
Gold mine. Ay, ito
Keeps
yung
the Ginto Group
nag-aaway-away
brand.
sila dyan.
Gold
Ayaw din-
standards, gold ideas, gold mines.
Ay, ayaw din
I
patalo.
like that, huh?
Ayaw din niya patalo.
Not bad. But for an attention economy, we need a name that people will remember. We're here to blow minds, guys.
We are here to keep the tradition, the culture of excellence.
Di bakit pa tayo gagawa ng bago?
Ayaw patalo
We have to
ng
disrupt the
ilong.
system, guys. That's why we're here. We will find that perfect spot in our clients' brands, audience, stories.
Galing ni Donnie,
They have to connect.
no?
The G-spot.
Jeez. Ayop. Ayop naman kasi. Bakit naman kasi the cheese spot? Ay, si
Witty.
Ben. Diba?
Guys, meet our new intern,
Hi po.
my best student sa CST.
Okay. What's that? Warrior Spark pala. What is this? Ay. I miss Don Bell. Kahit nakatapos lang ng ASAP. Charis. Wala lang, miss ko lang sila. Bakit ba? You get a flying high, flying high upon the wings of love. Ay! Ay, ang galing-galing na talaga ni Donnie. Ang gwapo ni Donnie dyan. Parang, ang bilis pumayat ni Donnie dyan.
Answer mo na agad, anak. Answer! Bad!
Ay, hindi ko to nakita ah. Ay, ang ganda ni Belle dito.
I want this to be very natural. I want this to be very family conversation over lunch.
Ay, ang ganda ni Belle. Ay, sino si girl? Si Diamante ba yan? Diamante or Diamante?
Well, hard work is not enough. What you need is solid talent.
Angel!
Baka mapag-iwanan ka na ng lahat. Pag ilan itong mga kapatid mo.
Come on. The food is good. Enjoy na lang tayo, okay?
What's that? Next na agad yan, Chabe. Tunay si Day. Alam mo yung hawak na, alam mo nung may tingin pero may ano, may tingin pero may respeto.
Ngayon nga lang tayo magsasolo eh.
Lord, sis ko, mamaya na madami pa tayong gagawin.
Ay, nagiging tayo.
Kikis ka na ba? Ipipin mo ba siya sa wall?
Para yan.
Angel!
I love it.
Help, please.
Dance! You can do that while...
Ay, ang galing Ang galing naman pala ni Direk.
Sis ko, no.
Ang galing naman pala ni Direk. Okay. What's next for today's video?
Mas mataas.
Ito.
Ay, Are you ready? Are you ready? Ganun pa rin. Wait ka lang. Kataas siya. Pasok! Let's go. Are you ready?
Okay!
Angel!
Okay, kaya ba ng isahan to?
Nagiging lion siya. Sabi, Lion King. Very Lion King, ah. Bakit naman very Lion King?
Ha? Kaya ko ba ng isahan to? Hindi. Fragile muna.
Anyway.
Akin eh, Spinawi. Yung ginawa niyo. What did you do? That asshole been setting me up. Really?
Angel!
You took the f***ing account from me.
Let's say that again. Say it again.
You took that account from me.
I gave it up for you.
Ano nangyari?
Anyway, so this is for today's video. This is Steve Vlogs and see you on the next vlog. Bye!